Hello and welcome to tax season 2023. We're getting excited about it. Hopefully we can get you through it without too many headaches. I hope you had a blessed Christmas, and here's wishing you a happy, healthy, and joyous New Year. In order to assist you and us in getting your taxes prepared, there's a few things in addition we'd like you to get taken care of this year. We'd like you to get your information together, submit it to us, or get your appointment set up as early as possible so we can get that information into the queue and be able to get your return done timely. In addition to W-2s, 1099s, and all that supporting documentation, we ask that you sign and date a tax engagement letter. Fill out the organizer for us, including updating your personal information. So changes of addresses, phone numbers, email addresses. So we have that most current information for getting a hold of you. The organizer now can be gotten online at our website, jmyers.com, and go to forms, fill it out right there and submit it. If you don't want to do it that way, you can print it out, mail it in, bring it in, however you want to do it, or you can call the office and we can get you a copy so that you can fill that out as well. But we won't be mailing any organizers out this year, so you're going to need to get it taken care of one way or the other. When filling out that organizer, make sure that you get your banking information in there. Even if it hasn't changed, we need that so that we're sure we have the most current bank account, especially if you're going to be doing automatic withdrawal or direct deposit of your refunds, which is a lot more secure and a lot quicker. So we want you to get those taken care of. You can book your appointments online this year. Simply go onto our website, click to book an appointment. That'll take you, you select who you want to have the appointment with, myself, Nicole, Melissa. Find one that works for you and get it scheduled. So that'd be wonderful if you can go that way. We also offer DocuSign so that you can remotely sign for and approve your tax return. Again, we need your signature and date before we can file that return. So we need to get you to sign the return one way or another, and we're trying to make those things easier. DocuSign is one of the ways that we can do it. We can't file the return without having your signature. Returns we need to file or extend by April 15th. If you're going to owe taxes, those taxes are due on or before April 15th in order to avoid penalties and interest. If the return isn't completed and you aren't sure how much you're going to owe, you need to make an estimate to avoid penalties and interest. We can help with those estimates if you're getting the stuff in too late for us to actually get the return filed. A note on property tax refunds. We aren't automatically doing those anymore because they take a lot more information and a lot more time to do that. The state of Minnesota is continuing to put more and more onus on us to make sure we're gathering all of the information. And part of the property tax refunds is they want to know, what is your total household income, including some non-taxable stuff that you've never given us before or never goes on the return, and other household income. If you have a kid on their own, but they're a child, if they're in the house and the income, we need to include that. The same for if you're an elderly person and you've got a child or someone else living with you. Even if you aren't getting any of that money, the state of Minnesota still wants to know about it in calculating that Minnesota property tax refund. And those rules are changing, so that's why we're asking you to fill out an organizer so we can get it done. With the increased work and problems, we did have to go up on our fee. So it's $175 this year. And if that's too much for you and you just want to do it yourself, that's fine. We understand. But with all of the increased expenses, we just needed to go up on that fee. This is enough for right now. Hope we get to see you soon. Have a great rest of the winter. Enjoy the snow. Thanks.